Do you know many people are having trouble with their vacuum suction power? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check blockages. Start by checking the accessories, suction hose, and tubes for blockages. Use a stick to clear out any debris. Step 2. Replace filter bag. Next, inspect the filter bag. Replace it with a new one if it's full to restore the suction power. Step 3. Clean filters. Remove the foam or cartridge filter and clean it under running water. Dry it completely before replacing it. Step 4. Replace damaged filters. Look over all filters for damage. If you find any damaged filters, replace them with new ones. Step 5. Reassemble carefully. Carefully reassemble all parts, ensuring everything is correctly aligned to avoid air leaks. Follow these steps, and your Kärcher WD2 should regain its full suction power. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Kärcher users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.